Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to share our views on the life vision as told by Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha sacrificed his royal position for the sake of search for truth. In the past, so many people had done so. Bodhidharma also did the same. In the past, for many people, they sacrificed all the royal positions for the sake of search for truth. People were encouraged to search for truth. In the present age, it is a sad affair that people are following belief systems. But instead of following the belief system, we have to be a seeker. Lord Buddha is a good example for this. He always stood for search for truth. He did not compromise anything for the sake of search for truth. His only aim in life was to find the truth. He asked so many logical and existential questions with regard to life and death. His existential and logical question is, why do we suffer? He is just like a spiritual scientist. He went on observing life and death. His main question is, why do we suffer? We might have done something very bad or evil in our past life. Whether this has been done by the divine agency, we are suffering due to our past actions or not. His inquiry is very much relevant. We find that so many people are suffering here. So many people are having enough for their life. But on the other hand, many other people are not having anything to lead a good life. This is a everyday experience. Lord Buddha searched for the reasons for this situation. He went to so many masters asking these existential questions. Why do we suffer? What is the cause for death? These are the questions asked by Lord Buddha, and found out that we are suffering because of our own actions. We ourselves are responsible for the suffering. There is no divine plan for our suffering. We may think that we might have done something very bad or evil in the past. Lord Buddha negates this position. He says that due to our own desires, we are suffering in this very life. The good example is we find rat race nowadays. People are involved in rat race. Because of rat race, people are faced with so many problems. Consumerism is increasing. Violence is increasing. Because of rat race, violence is born. Wars are created because of rat race. The reason is that people are filled with desires. Then Lord Buddha also says that we are to differentiate between needs and desires. In search of truth, Lord Buddha was involved with fasting. Later on, he became very weak and could not lead in his path. Hence, he realized that he should abstain from fasting. He should take care of his needs. We must be able to differentiate between needs and the desires. One should take care of the needs. The needs are food, shelter, and dress. These things can be taken care of. As far as diseases are concerned, we have to be very alert. We have to observe very closely into our own life. Disease may drag ourselves into hell. Here, diseases are the only problem. Disease creates a situation in which we want more and more. Lastly, we will find that we will not have any fulfillment as far as diseases are concerned. Again, coming to death. Death is also an existential reality. Lord Buddha always wanted to know the secret of death. To overcome the fear of death, he was involved with meditation. He used to meditate for long hours. Lastly, he was so tired. Being tired, he gave up all his efforts to become enlightened. On that day, he was totally relaxed. Then, truth descended on him. It shows that we cannot go to the truth. We must prepare ourselves, our own mind, to receive the truth. Lord Buddha did this. Finally, he got nirvana, the highest or the ultimate reality of life. He encountered nirvana. Nirvana removes all the suffering from our life. And he preached about nirvana, the answer to all our suffering in our life is attaining nirvana. If we observe very closely and in a position to meditate, we will be able to reach that stage called nirvana. Lord Buddha did this. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life. Thanks for watching.